Disclaimer, please take everything I say in this video with a grain of salt. Yeah, this tastes really good. Anyways, bye. I personally am going through and have gone through this horrible, what I call like addiction, but you know, there's other words for it. But really, I feel like everyone at some point in their lives has sacrificed their attention spans and fallen victim to social media sites. In fact, in the first clip, I was literally listening to a YouTube growth video and working on a research project for school. SMH for it. And it was just me studying as I am right here. Would you guys even watch it? I don't think so, because that's not how social media works, you know. The site wants people to be on there more and spend longer amounts of hours of their day watching YouTube and TikTok, etc. And so a video like this would not be promoted that well, I don't think, unless there's people out there to just sit down and, well, study YouTubers. But you know, you're not just gonna sit and watch them, you're gonna study along with them. So we no longer see these forms of content where it's like mellow and like slowed down and nothing really dramatic's going on, like probably like a time lapse of a city, I don't know, or like a boring video of a man painting. Like we don't see that being popularized anymore, or in my mind that's very boring. We see short form content like we see on TikTok, where you're scrolling and each video is like 3 seconds, 6 seconds, 4 seconds, and you're on there for hours and hours and hours. You randomly see videos of like double videos. You start seeing double videos of like people playing Subway Surfers on one side of your screen, and another side of your screen is a cooking video. Why? I just want to know why. And the only thing I can say is like, it's just to keep you on the app, to keep you entertained, and to keep you scrolling. Same thing. Basically, throughout this video, I tried to stay off of YouTube while doing my work. I even drink coffee, and that's kind of like a stimulant. So I wouldn't suggest depending on it as heavily, like to help you focus, because it will help you focus, you know, increase your attention span, but I wouldn't like depend on it always in my room studying. But I decided to go where other people were. That would help me to be more focused and to spend less time doing other things and jumping from task to task. So I am actually watching YouTube here. But afterwards I started studying, and it's kind of crazy because this is a perfect example of like the attention span thing. Like, are you eating or are you watching YouTube? You have to do both at the same time. Yes, I do. I don't think it's necessarily a horrible thing, but it could have some implements that I really can't conceive, because I am the victim. Yeah, so I really can't see outside of the situation. Like, yeah. If you're really, you know, you can't create change without like looking back, reflecting, and fixing your habits. But if you really feel like drained and stuff like that, like how I look in this clip, I'm really tired and burnt out, trying to get some statistics done. It's really not going. Like, this causes me to, like, when I'm in this type of headspace, it causes me to jump onto social media and scroll for hours on end, and then come back to my work and be like still confused, and then I go back to social media confused, and then I go to sleep. So I'd suggest you guys do something different with your time. Like, spend less time on social media, spend your time outside with your family, go for a walk, go for a jog, go biking, I don't know, bicycling, cycling, I don't know, whatever you want. And, you know, just enjoy your time outside without your phones and stuff. And yeah, I think that's all I can say on the matter.